Welcome. I am Christos Papanikolaou, the CEO of Opto Hellas Group, and today from our European offices in Athens, we are going to present you the new endothelial microscope SW-7000 by SW. SW-7000 belongs to the 9th generation specular microscopes. It has an innovative and unique dual camera system, which gives the opportunity to the operator to have high accuracy and precision by measuring and focusing. It has a total robotic function, auto shot, auto alignment, autofocus, a 10-inch LCD color touchscreen, and it can measure 13 targeting areas, 1 central, 6 paracentral, and 6 in periphery, which is an amazing advantage for the corneal transplant surgeon and the cataract surgeon for pre-op and post-op examinations. It can measure 400 cells by every examination, and with the special cell imaging software analysis, has the opportunity to give you segmentation and coloring for every pathology. SW-7000 belongs to the newest generation diagnostic instruments. Join our distributor network in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Be part of Opto Hellas Group. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.